Hi friends, today you are going to be writing a verse about the picture on my screen. So, this is a picture of a fish. I'm going to use this picture and my number words 1, 2, and 3 to make a verse. I'm going to use some sight words that I know. You're going to go down here in this box so you can type your verse. But if you're on an iPad, you can press the speaker button and talk into your iPad and it should type it out for you. If you need help typing or finding that button, ask your adult and they'll be able to help you. So I'm going to say, I have, I'm in all caps, so I'm going to fix that. I have a fish. And then I'm going to go to the next line and I'm going to write 1, 2, 3, since those are my number words. And then I'm going to keep writing and I'm going to say, I like him. And then I'm going to say, she likes me. And when you're writing your verse, notice how my word 3 and me rhyme. They sound the same at the end. If you can do that, that would be fantastic. But as long as you include your numbers 1, 2, and 3 in your verse, you are good to go. Have fun writing.